How to fix Cash App won't let me activate my card. In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me activate my card. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. Next, tap on the Profile option. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Profile section of your Cash App account, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options that you can use to get access to different features of the app. From there, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this part of the bottom of the page. At the bottom, there is an option named Support. Make sure you tap on it just like you can see here. The page will start loading. Make sure you wait for it. This is the support section of Cash App. On this page, there are various options you can use to find solutions to issues you face on the app. From them, tap this one here. This other page appears where you will see options that are related to the Cash App card. From the options that are here, the one we need is the one named Getting Your Card. After that, this other page will appear. On this page, you will see options that are related to the previous option. Scroll through them and look for one named Activate Card. Here it is, make sure you tap on it. This other page will appear where the Cash App is giving you steps you can use to activate your card. I am sure you have followed them and nothing has worked for you. Don't worry, I will show you what to do. Scroll to the bottom of the page just like you can see here. Next, tap here, Chat. Finally, you will land on the chat box of Cash App, where you are supposed to send a message to the support team informing them about the issue you are facing. Explain to them clearly, just like you can see here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. That is, how to fix Cash App won't let me activate my card.